Hello and welcome to infotechinformer. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to set up Myetherwallet with most secure and recommended method and how to add new Grn Token to Myetherwallet. So without wasting time, let's get started. For setting up Myetherwallet with recommended method, you need a laptop or PC and a smartphone. On the PC, let's open official website of Myetherwallet, that is www.myetherwallet.com. Now click here on Create a new wallet. As you can see here, there are three methods given for creating a new wallet. The first one is Myetherwallet. This is the recommended method by the developers because it is most secure. Second method is by key store file. As you can see, it is not a recommended way to create your wallet. And the third is by mnemonic phrase. This method is also not a recommended way to create your wallet. So let's click on Myetherwallet. As you can see, you have to download the Myetherwallet app on your smartphone. It is available for both iOS and Android. Link to download is given in the description box. Let's download it for Android. On your smartphone, open Google Play Store app. Search for Myetherwallet. And install the app. After installing, open the MEW application. Now, tap on Create a free wallet. Here are some safety tips. Tap on Create a wallet. Now, you have to create a PIN. You will need this every time you open the app. Enter the same PIN again. Then, it will process to create your wallet. When your wallet is ready, tap on Start using Myetherwallet. Now, you have to back up your wallet to keep your assets safe. The only way to guard against losses is to back up your wallet. Tap on Backup Now. Again tap on Backup Now. Take a pen and paper to write down your recovery phrase. In case you lost your wallet by mistake, you can recover your wallet easily using this backup. Now, tap on Start. Enter the PIN you set in the beginning. You will see the 24 words of your wallet recovery phrase. Write down each word from 1 to 24 in sequence as given. After writing your recovery phrase, tap on Next. Now it will ask you to select some words related to that number. Select the words as per your recovery phrase. When done, tap on Finish. Your wallet will be backed up now. Tap on Done. You will see your Ethereum wallet is set up now. Now, we will add Grn Token to the wallet. Let's go to the Myetherwallet website on PC again. Scroll a little and click on Access My Wallet. Now click on MEW Wallet. Now, we have to scan this QR code with Myetherwallet app from smartphone. In your Myetherwallet application, in smartphone, you will see a camera icon at the top right corner. Click on it. Allow all the permissions. Now scan the barcode displayed on PC. It will take a moment to connect. After connected, it will automatically show your wallet on PC. Now, to add Grn Token, we need contract address of Grn. The link to Grn contract address is given in the description. Open the link in New tab. It will open the Etherscan webpage for Grn contract address. Now click here to copy the contract address. Go back to Myetherwallet tab. Click here on Custom Token. Paste the address here. Enter symbol as Grn and decimal 18. Now click on Save. Wait for a moment and your Grn token will be added successfully. Now search here for Grn. You will see the Grn token is now added to your Ethereum wallet. Now, to receive the Grn token, you can use this address. Click on Copy and use this address for swapping old Grn to new Grn ERC20 tokens. That's it, now your Myetherwallet is ready for Grn swap. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Please write your queries and suggestions in comment box and subscribe this channel to stay updated with latest technologies.